Sa episode na ito, samahan niyo akong mag-relax at mag-chill. Kasama na dyan ang adventure. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang food trip. Dito yan sa The City of Fog, Sapa.
So heading to View Trekking Cafe. Titikman natin ng egg coffee dito kung pareha sa Hanoi. So after nga ng lunch kanina ay pumunta tayo ng hotel para mag-check-in and then nagpahinga hanggang sa nakatulog. Paggising namin alas 5 na. So kailangan naming habulin yung monorail view dito sa may View Trekking. So nandito kami ngayon. Set up muna natin yung mga camera natin para pag dumaan yung tren dahil every 15 minutes lang siya dumadaan, so dapat mabilis para mamaya maganda yung shots agad para hindi tayo kailangan maghintay ng matagal. Ayan, okay na. Ayan, so maganda na yung setup natin. Mamaya abangan natin ang finished product. So dyan dadaan ng tren. At napakaganda ng view. Feeling ko nasa Baguio lang ako. Ako na pala magta-try. Inumin ko na. So sa mga gusto pumunta dito, maraming spot na available. Kayo na lang bahalang mamili kung saan nyo gusto. Yes, and we're done. We got the best shot.
Video.
Naghintay kami siguro isang oras kasi tigi-isa kami eh. Pupunta naman tayo ngayon sa downtown, sa may Sapa downtown. Maghahanap kung saan tayo pwede mag-dinner. Maglalakad tayo from View Trek going to downtown Sapa dahil malapit lang naman, 5 minutes walk. Ito yung iskinita ng mga daan dito sa Sapa. Parang very similar sa Pilipinas. Grabe yung pailaw dito. Grabe sila magpailaw. Lights everywhere.
Hello, barbecue.
chorizo, naamoy ko pala ito. Amoy, kain na tayo ng barbecue at ito yung magiging side dish. Ayan. Kain tayo ng palaka. Ng kokak. Dito ulit si ate. Vinegar. Chorizo.
O dito, lagyan
Ito ang vinegar nila oh. Clear. Grilled patola. Let's try. Paa oh. Tinatanggal ang paa ng kokak pag niluluto. Ayun oh. Pero try natin. Lasang manok na. Hmm? Yes. Yung bata oh. Nasa likod niya lang. What's that? Thought. Hindi pa tayo tinatantanan ng mga bata.
Dudumugin na pag bumuha ka sa isa.
Ang daming bata dito.
Bakit tayong gusto na
Sana maintindihan natin sila para mas maganda. We're done eating dinner. No rice for how many days? Very peaceful. So, lakad-lakad muna dito sa park. Ayan. Meron din silang lake dito. Para kang nasa Europe. Ayan. So, feeling ko bukas maganda yung view dito pag medyo maliwanag. Good morning everyone. So, it's our second day here in Sapa. Pupunta tayo sa Alpine Coaster. Itatry natin yung rides. Hindi na tayo nakapag-vlog kagabi before matulog. Sobrang pagod. Diretso tayo nakatulog. So, we are just waiting for the service.
Ready?
Yes. Hi,
Okay.
good morning.
Morning.
We are going to the Alpine or coaster. We will try it. Is it open now?
Yeah.
The Alpine coaster? You don't know.
I know. Sorry, I speak like heavy, but
Okay.
yeah.
So, hindi tayo nag-book sa Klook pero I think pwede yung walk-in. So, itatry natin mag-walk-in sa Alpine coaster. Hi.
Hi.
You're from Sapa?
Yeah, I'm from Sapa. I driver and tour guide from Sapa.
Oh, what's your
Huh?
name?
Đức An. And today I very happy go with you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We are with Dukhan.
Yeah.
And nakapag-usap kami na siya daw magtutour sa amin for today. Ang gagamitin lang namin ay ang taxi, metro, and free tour guide. And he is also a photographer. So, nice. Just in time. Perfect timing. So, ito yung sabi niya. I will plan after you check out, I will take you to lunch at the Salmon Farm in Sapa. It is very delicious but the price is cheap. And maybe I will cook directly for you because for me, you guys are my friends, not guests. Oh!
Hơn 1 năm để cho vừa tay nghề gần.
You Filipinos are very approachable and very friendly, unlike the Chinese. I love for that. Oh, yeah, we know that. I know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know like Chinese.
yeah.
Me too.
Galit na siya. Galit na siya.
I never go with the Chinese. Never.
You don't like?
No lie.
Yeah. Oh, okay, this is the Alpine.
Okay.
Okay.
You want?
So, dito tayo. So we need to buy ticket. So, today is weekday. So, ang presyo nila is 200,000 dong. It's like 500 to 600 pesos. Ayan yung coaster ride. Ooh, it looks nice. And the view. Look at the view. That's a ticket. So, ito yung mga rides, guys. Who goes first?
Hindi, dalawa yan. Pwedeng dalawa.
Okay. Bye. Oh my goodness. Woo! 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 Yes! Pass. Oh! Hey, yes! Grabe. Oh my goodness. Woo! Woo! Oh! Oh shit! Ah! Woo! Woo! Yes! going up. So we need to make it fast. Grabe! Pakyat na! Yes! It's going up! Oh, fuck. Ay, grabe. Yan ang taas. Nakakit siya. Come on. So one more. I want to do more. One more. Yes. So here. Woo! Nice. Ah!
How you doing?
It's great. Uulit na naman tayo. Ang saya. They want more. Oh, done. Ay, grabe. Look at the view, guys. Come on. Look at the view. Thank you. Nice, nice. Akala ko ba tig-isa kayo?
Ewan ko to
We're done at Alpine Coast, sir. Where are we going next? Dukan?
Next, we go to Taiwan.
Taban?
Yeah.
Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Taban Village.
Here the Pasipang Mountain.
Pansipan Mountain.
Yeah.
Ah.
Pasipang Mountain long total
Okay.
80 kilometer.
And we are going to get a lunch somewhere, sabi ni Lukma. So we are going to the one of the ethnic villages here in Taban. So dadalhin daw tayo ni Dukhan doon. So it's good also na meron tayong tour guide na lokal. Tapos libre pa. Pinag-drive niya lang kami. Diba? So guys, bili siya ng bili ng pagkain. Kuha lang ako ng kuha. Sarap. Mainit pa kasi.
Đây là món
Nice, I like it. This is our traditional cake. We call donut, made from sugar, beans, and glutathione rice. Glutathione rice. Glutathione rice. So, kanina bumili siya ng pakwan. Ayan o, meron pa natira. Kami din kumain. What you can say about this trip so far?
Good. Masaya.
Hmm?
Very easy.
Very illy, very province. Ayan.
Oh.
So they call this the Lao Chai village. So dito natin makikita yung mga ethnic group or iba yung feature ng mga tao dito, mas ano sila mas laid back. Yeah, so very Vietnam. So we will meet some of them later. So nandito na tayo sa village
để tránh trường hợp bạn đảo.
and I think medyo nasa liblib tayo na lugar dito sa may Sapa, Vietnam. Medyo si Holy Scalo.
Sayang walang...
Black Mong.
Black Mom.
Yeah.
And,
Xin chào.
About 1 year.
Oh, 1 year.
1
to
year.
make this one.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
So sila yung gumagawa ng mga textile dito, handmade. Lahat to handmade, no machine. Pati itong mga to. Oo, lahat to ginagawa nila. Si Lola, hi.
You can buy. You can buy.
Yeah. Nice.
Yun na yung native sa
Yun na yun, isa lang. So guys, we are back at the hotel. So ngayon magliligpit kami ng gamit. Quick check out kasi we will be leaving Sapa by 3 p.m. So may oras pa tayo para mamasyal. Si Dukan, sasama pa rin tayo ni Dukan. So ang bait-bait ni Dukan. So mag-i-impake muna tayo. So paano tayo mag-i-impake? Paano tayo mag-i-impake? Paano? Tell me how. Tell me. Ayun, ang dami natin dala. So, nakuha na namin mga luggage namin. Ayun o, ang lalaki. Pupunta naman tayo ngayon para mag-lunch. I think dadalhin niya tayo sa Dampa. Tapos medyo... So, we are here. Hand yap like toy catch.
Aba, titira ka dito isang buwan. Tignan mo.
Check come here.
Okay.
Dozen.
Salmon.
Yes. Salmon. Skin, BBQ, and sesame. I cook it for you salad. One plate.
Ay!
Kakainin namin.
Yes. Thank you. Come on. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Takbak. At syempre this is a local restaurant. Medyo mga local lang ang nakakaalam. So thank you for Duncan for bringing us here. Nakahuli na rin tayo ng salmon. So iluluto na lang ni Duncan. Let's go!
What's that?
Salmon very big.
Real salmon. Huh? What do you call it? No.
What? What's the name?
Bottom.
Mutton? Okay. Hi guys. We're going to eat now, okay?
Salmon BBQ.
Salmon.
Yeah. Sesame and little salad.
Gusto mo magkita
And
sa
vegetable eaten with the hot pot.
Salmon barbecue. We're done. Very, very full. Yung kinain namin is 1,035,000 dong. That's like 500 pesos per head. Not bad. And that's a salmon. So I think we are going back na sa center, sa Sapa. Dahil habol natin yung biyahe at 3 p.m. It's already 2 p.m. Ang call time namin is 3:15. Going back to Hanoi. Then from Hanoi, going to the airport. And we're going to Ho Chi Minh. So ayaw paawat ni Dakan. May dadalhin pa daw kami. Dadalhin pa daw niya kami sa isang lugar. Oh. What do you call that?
Haven't got here.
Let's go.
We go on the ground and today you know Lucky you know, lucky no view. Total viewers on
Not
the ground.
lucky.
Hả món ra sổ một câu. Nói hảo vô bát.
We are going to Heaven's Gate, pero bakit pababa kami? So, just like the pyramid of Egypt inspired. Oh, hey, nice. So guys, itodo na natin to. Umuulan, last hour in Sapa. Isa lang maze dito. Ayan o. Dito pala matagal dapat tayo eh. Time is running. Ito yung theme park na sobrang mabilis lang. Sobrang bilis. We go.
Theme park pala yung napuntahan namin. Kaya pala mahalang
Oh, entrance.
ticket niya.
Theme park. Tapos hindi namin na-enjoy. Parang wala pa. 30 minutes lang kami. Well, hindi namin napasok lahat.
Pero maganda.
Yeah. So we're in the car na papunta na kaming terminal. Umuulan. Tapos yung oras. Grabe yung oras. Naghahabol kami. Yeah, isang oras na lang. Alis na yung bus. Eh, magta-travel pa kami ng 30 minutes going to the terminal. So, ayan. I-google nyo na lang to. Check nyo sa Google tong place na to. Meron ulit sa video. So this is our bus heading to Hanoi. Yan, nakahabol kami last minute pero mukhang sa likod na kami uupo.